Hey guys, in number 78, now when we look at this graph, we're trying to see sine. So a reminder is sine normally looks like this for one full period. Now, I can see that from negative pi to pi, this curve here correlates to half of a sine curve. So this is actually 1/2 of a period of sine. And we'll use that when we're calculating our period. Everything else is the same though. Our amplitude is high minus low divided by 2. 2 minus negative 2 divided by 2, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. So that's our A. If I'm trying to find my vertical shift, that is high plus low divided by 2. 2 plus negative 2 over 2 is 0. So that means D is 0, or there's no vertical shift. And you can see that because this is the middle of my graph. Now, to my period, I see that this is going to be double whatever the difference is between the beginning and the end of this half, which is 2 times pi minus pi, which is 2 times 2 pi, which is 4 pi. So we know 4 pi equals 2 pi over b, or b equals 2 pi over 4 pi, which is 1/2. Now, if I look from here, right, this is technically the beginning of this sine curve, right? That's the beginning of it. And we can see that it starts at x equals 0. So there's no horizontal shift. And I believe that will make c equals 0. So now we can also see that this curve is starting at 0 and going up and going down, which is the same as the original sine curve. So there is no reflection. So that means we can write our sine curve, y equals sine of, well, we know our A is 2, and we know our B is 1/2. And then you can think of this as being x minus 0 plus 0, but really those zeros you don't need to write. So this is the same as 2 sine of 1/2 x.